Welcome back to the channel.
Today we are in Niagara Falls.
Well, we're in Niagara. We're going to Niagara Falls.
Yeah, we're gonna walk.
Super excited.
So I've never been here. Gary's been here once before, and we are hanging out with family.
So come get lost with us in the falls. Falls, y'all. Nice map for you. So interesting. Let's go see if we can find those falls. Check out some of the cool buildings. So apparently at this site, back in 1825 to 1945, there's a hotel that helped people on the Underground Railroad. So like here's some of the rapids running towards Niagara. And then you see those big buildings in the distance, that's actually Canada. So all those nice big buildings are on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls. But yeah, check out these rapids. And this is the build up for Niagara Falls. A little bit far away, we'll get closer. Alright, so here is more of the build up, a little bit closer. Stable.
It is the priciest of the hotels.
Check out this rushing water. Imagine going in like a barrel and going over the falls. Alright, first shot, there's the Maid of the Mist out there. And there's a couple of the falls.
Power of that water. Incredible.
I don't know if you guys can see the rainbow on camera, but there's a nice rainbow too. Amazing. So there's a sky bridge you can go over too and get a little bit better view at the end there. But really the best shots I think are on the Canadian side. So if you have a passport, it's definitely worth it to check out the Canadian side to get a full sort of encompassing view of it. Alright, so we're at the top of the observation deck.
Okay, so we made it to the top of the observation deck. So the observation deck is actually a part of Maid of the Mist. So to do the observation deck alone, it's $1.25, and then it's $28.73, so about $30 with tax. Per person for an adult to do the Maid of the Mist boat, where they're going to take you out to just under the falls. So we're going to get ready to do that after we get done with the observation deck. So we'll come and get you guys when we're ready to get on the boat.
Alright, so there's the bridge that goes to Canada, everybody. That's Toronto across the way, like we talked about a little bit earlier. Oh, there's even a casino over there. But that's the bridge to Canada, don't you know? And here's the Maid of the Mist docking down there. And that's where you gotta go if you want to go on the Maid of the Mist. So
We take an elevator down there.
we'll be down there soon enough. There's the bridge up there. Macy said, what did you say?
It reminds me of the bridge that goes over the Hoover Dam, the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge with the big archway. And then there's like another one like down there too.
Yeah. Alright, so I got my trash bag to put on. And there's the observation deck that we just came from. They're doing a tomahawk chop on the deck or something? Alright, so here's the blue. I'm taking a selfie. Alright, so there's all the blue tanks ready to take on the Red Army of the Canadians.
Okay, so we are getting ready to get on the Maid of the Mist, which is the US side boat that takes you over by the falls. And you get here by taking an elevator down from the observation deck. And again, you don't have to pay the $1.25, but I'm gonna be honest, nobody was checking to see who paid to go to the observation deck and who didn't. Just an insider tip. But they do give you these lovely blue ponchos, and I think it's to differentiate what tour you're on, because the Canadian side is red. So we're about to get on, so we'll come and get you guys when we embark on our journey.
Boat, in case you're wondering. It's kind of cool. Right to the bridge in the distance. And they're backing out of the dock, heading towards the falls.
Look over top of you.
That's crazy, right there. Here we go, guys. Oh, that's cool.
That's your way.
I had the camera up, but it's so good. We're gonna dry it off. We'll go in the bathroom. That was absolutely fantastic. I'll go back again.
All right, so we just got off the Maid of the Mist. What do you think, Nacy?
That was absolutely spectacular. 10 out of 10 recommend. If there's only one thing you do when you come out here, definitely do that. It wasn't that expensive, and you get crazy, crazy close to the falls.
Yeah,
Crazy close.
You get right up in them. It's really cool. And definitely take that poncho because you are going to get soaked.
Like, I didn't think it was, like, I wasn't really sure how wet we were going to get, but even with the poncho, I still got wet. And also, if you have like Tevas or Chacos, wear those so you're not sloshing around in wet tennis shoes all day. Legit tip.
So we're going to go tour the rest of the park, and we'll come get you in a minute when we get inside.
Yeah.
All right, so we're back to our hotel. If you want to see that video, hit it in the top right-hand corner.
What did you think?
It was amazing. Honestly, seeing the view from the top, it's definitely better on the Canadian side if you're just looking at the falls. But it's still amazing from the American side.
Yeah.
But the Lady of the Mist, the Maid of the Mist,
Maid of the Mist, yeah.
was amazing. I mean, you don't realize how close you're going to get to the water, and you can actually feel the pressure from it from so far away. I mean, it's amazing. What did you think?
I honestly, had we just done the top, and I would have been like, yeah, it's cool, that's great, I've seen it, went home, whatever. But the fact that we did the Maid of the Mist, I thought that just took it over the edge because we got to see that front side of the falls, like, and we got so close, like Gary said, and we got so wet, even with the poncho. Like, you think you're gonna get wet, but you're gonna get wetter. So don't bring any like cameras or anything. Make sure you have like a book bag, like legit tip, so that way you can just film on your phone. Because right now most phones, iPhones, Samsungs are decently waterproof, so you could at least like tape on that. And also, if you have like glasses, take your glasses off because the water is just gonna hit your glasses, and then you're just not really gonna be able to see a whole lot. But it was spectacular.
Yeah, two legit tips too is the visitor center is closed,
Yes.
so there is no visitor center right now, which kind of gets rid of some of that information that you would get. There's not many placards around it, and the parking is
lot,
definitely
yeah.
difficult too. We spent $20 in parking, which wasn't bad for all day basically, and then we spent $30 to go on the Mist and $1 to go on the top. So it was worth it.
Yeah.
Super fun day. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up
Yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button,
and ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
and we'll come and get you guys for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth? Bye everybody.